Hello everyone. Welcome to Merit Article. Today, we're excited to guide you through the essential steps of stock market investing for beginners. In just 7 straightforward steps, we'll break down the basics. If you find this video valuable, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our informative content. Number 1. Understanding the basics. Investing in the stock market is like becoming a part owner of a company. Imagine if you and your friends put money together to start a lemonade stand. You each own a piece of it. Similarly, when you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of a company. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, companies use this money from people like you to grow and make more money. When the company does well, its value increases, and so does the value of your piece or stock. But it's not all smooth sailing. Stocks can go up and down in value. It's like a roller coaster sometimes. That's because many things can affect a company's success, like how much money they make, changes in the economy, and even world events. Investing in stocks can help your money grow over time, but it's also a bit like a game. You want to choose companies that you think will do well in the future. And remember, it's not about making quick money, it's about growing your money slowly and steadily. So, to sum it up, when you invest in stocks, you're buying tiny parts of companies, and your goal is to see those parts grow over time. Just like owning a lemonade stand with your friends, you want your piece to become more valuable. But be prepared for the ups and downs along the way. Number 2. Setting your financial goals. Before you begin investing, it's essential to have a clear idea of why you're doing it. It's like having a roadmap before starting a journey. You need to know your destination. Think about what you want to do with the money you'll be investing. Are you saving for something special, like a big trip, a new car, or your dream home? Or maybe you're planning for your future, like when you stop working and retire. Having well-defined goals is like having a treasure map. It helps you make smart decisions about your investments. Different goals may require different strategies. If your goal is to buy something soon, like a vacation, you might want safer investments. But if you're saving for something far off, like retirement, you could take more adventurous investment paths. So, step 2 is all about knowing where you want to go financially. It's like having a destination on your financial map. Once you're clear on your goals, it becomes easier to choose the right investments that can help you reach them. So, step 2 is all about knowing why you're investing. It's your destination on the financial map. Once you're clear on your goals, it'll be much easier to choose the right investments to help you get there. Number 3. Building a diverse portfolio. Imagine you have a plate of different foods in front of you. Some are sweet, some are savory, and others are in between. Now, picture your investments as different dishes on that plate. Diversifying your portfolio is like having a variety of flavors to enjoy. To minimize the risks, it's not a good idea to put all your money into just one type of investment, like putting all your favorite foods on one plate. Instead, you want to spread your investments across various options. This could include not only stocks, but also bonds and other things like exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which are like combo dishes. Diversification helps protect your money. If one investment isn't doing well, the others might balance it out. It's like having both an umbrella and a sunscreen when you're not sure if it will rain or shine. So, step 3 is about mixing your investments wisely, just like creating a delicious and balanced meal. Number 4. Choosing the right broker. When you want to buy something, you usually go to a store. But when you want to buy stocks or other investments, you go to a place called a brokerage. It's like finding the right shop to buy your favorite things. Not all brokerages are the same. Some charge higher fees, like a fancy boutique, while others are more budget-friendly, like a discount store. You'll want to pick a brokerage that suits your needs. Consider things like fees, how easy it is to use their website or app, just like finding your way around a store, and whether they have good customer support in case you have questions or need help. It's like choosing a store to buy clothes. You want one that fits your style and budget. So, step 4 is all about finding the right place to buy your investments, making sure it's convenient and suits your preferences. Number 5. Researching stocks. Imagine you're planning to buy a new gadget, like a smartphone. You'd probably want to know all about it before making a decision, right? Well, the same goes for stocks. Before investing in a company, it's crucial to do your homework. Researching stocks is like reading reviews, checking specifications, and asking friends for opinions before buying that smartphone. You want to find out if the company is doing well, how much money it's making, and whether it has good future prospects. You'll start by assessing the company's financial health, diving into its financial statements to determine if it's profitable and managing debts effectively. Companies with stable finances often exhibit promising signs for investors. Next, it's essential to explore the industry in which the company operates and its competitors. Companies in thriving industries tend to have more potential for growth, and understanding the competitive landscape can provide valuable context. Understanding the company's management team is crucial. Get to know the people in charge, as experienced and trustworthy leadership can significantly impact the company's performance. Reviewing the company's earnings history is also essential. You want to see if it's consistently growing over time, as companies with increasing profits are typically more appealing to investors. Staying informed about recent news and potential risks, such as technological changes or economic shifts, completes the research puzzle. There are tools and resources, like financial news websites and company reports, that can help you gather information. It's like having a treasure map to discover if a company's stock is a good investment. So, step 5 is all about doing your detective work to make informed decisions. Ultimately, this process is about gathering information, like puzzle pieces, to make well-informed investment choices aligned with your financial goals. Just as you're a savvy shopper when buying gadgets, being a savvy investor means conducting thorough research for smart investments. Number 6, making your first investment. Once you've done your research and are ready to invest, it's time to make your first move. It's like stepping onto a dance floor for the first time. You might feel a mix of excitement and nerves. You'll open an account with your chosen brokerage, which we discussed in step 4, and use it to buy the stocks or investments you've decided on. It's a bit like going shopping, but instead of physical items, you're purchasing digital pieces of companies. The key here is to start small and not put all your money into one investment. Dipping your toes in the water before diving in is a smart move. It's like learning a new dance step. You don't start with the most complex moves. You build your confidence over time. So, step 6 is about taking that first step in your investment journey, starting with a comfortable and manageable investment. Number 7, monitoring and adjusting. Investing isn't a one-time thing, it's an ongoing adventure. It's like tending to a garden. You don't just plant the seeds and forget about them. You need to water the plants, protect them from pests, and ensure they get enough sunlight. Similarly, you'll need to keep an eye on your investments. Check how they're doing regularly. If one isn't doing well, it's like noticing a wilting plant. You might need to make some adjustments. You can buy more of the investments that are doing great or sell those that aren't. It's like caring for your garden by removing dead plants and nurturing the thriving ones. The idea is to keep your investments healthy and growing over time. So, step 7 is about staying vigilant and taking action when needed to keep your investment garden flourishing. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey through investing for beginners. If you found this video helpful, please thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more valuable content. This is Merit Article. See you in the next video.